Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix server busy error on FIFA Mobile. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the FIFA application and log in, or use the application in general but you get an error telling you that the server is busy, then there are a few ways that you can go about to troubleshoot. The first thing to see is to check whether your server is the one that is busy. Try switching between your data and your Wi-Fi connection and see if this fixes your issue. If this still doesn't work, then you will also need to check for updates, because your application might be out of date and it might face difficulty in communicating with the updated server. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and search for the FIFA application. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on the update button to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on it and wait for a while until the installation is complete. Once it is done, you will see open once again. So open up your app and check if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then one final thing to try is to long press on the FIFA application and then tap on the info button. Now from the info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the app, and then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner to clear all of the user data for the FIFA application. After this step is completed, you will be asked to log into your account once again on FIFA Mobile. Go ahead and log in and see if your issue is fixed. If this step doesn't fix your issue as well, then this means that this is a server error from the FIFA Mobile end. So you might need to wait for a while or even a few hours and try back to see if the issue is fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to fix issues related to busy server on the FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.